Welcome to our channel. If you're having trouble with Canvas LMS not working or encountering assignment errors, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check Canvas status by visiting status.instructure.com to see if there are any reported outages or ongoing maintenance affecting the platform. Step 2. Refresh your browser page by pressing F5 or clicking the refresh button to reload Canvas and clear any temporary loading issues. Step 3. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Go to your browser settings, find the privacy section, and clear all browsing data from the past 24 hours or longer. Step 4. Disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers and script blockers, as they can interfere with Canvas functionality. Try accessing Canvas with all extensions turned off. Step 5. Update your web browser to the latest version. Canvas works best with current versions of Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Step 6. Try using a different browser to see if the problem is specific to one browser. This helps isolate whether it's a browser compatibility issue. Step 7. Check your internet connection stability by testing your network speed and ensuring you have a reliable connection for uploading assignments. Step 8. Log out of Canvas completely, close your browser, reopen it, and log back in to refresh your session. Step 9. If assignment submission continues to fail, contact your instructor or Canvas support with specific error messages and screenshots. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.